Hi viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, as always, today again I am here with a free technique by which you can earn bitcoins. So guys, the site is Bitcoin Miner x2.online. So guys, I'll be showing you how to get free bitcoins. So this is the basic homepage of this site. First you have to register yourself. So here you have to fill your full name, then you have to fill your email address, and then at the end you have to fill your Bitcoin address. Guys, Bitcoin address is unique address that is provided by your Bitcoin wallet to you. To find your Bitcoin address, just open your Bitcoin wallet, then go to profile. There you will find a unique URL. Just copy that unique URL because that's your Bitcoin address. Copy from there and just paste it here in the given column. To request, but this is the process by which you can find your unique URL, your Bitcoin address. Just copy it and paste it here in this site. After this, after the registration, you will find this page. This is the home page of Bitcoin Miner X2 Pro that you will be able to see after registering yourself. So basically what you have to do is just paste your Bitcoin. As you can see here, you can see that here is your Bitcoin wallet ID URL, and now all you have to do is just click on this icon and the connecting will start processing. So wait for a few minutes until this all task gets over. Let me just fast forward it for you. Let's not waste time. Look like this. Once this gets full over, click on start Bitcoin mining. Once you click on start Bitcoin mining, automatically you can see your account balance will start increasing. Yes guys, your account balance will start increasing automatically. You have to do nothing. I will suggest you to wait for 0.77 around. This value will automatically increase by every passing second. So let me just fast forward it and show you how to withdraw your amount, because this is the basic way to start mining your bitcoins. So guys, here you can see after you reach some amount like 0.7 around, just click on stop Bitcoin mining, and here you can see this is your account balance. Now just go to withdraw and click on withdraw icon. So guys, this is the payment link. So here it is written here it is written that you have to pay $17 for this transaction as miner's fee. So this is basically a profit sharing deal. All you have to do is just pay $17. And how to pay? Just copy this link. Now go to your Bitcoin wallet and click on send icon, and it will automatically pay in Bitcoin. Now click on continue, and this is the summary, and then again click on send Bitcoin. So by this way you have sent the profit, or I can say that you have shared your profit with the miner. So guys, this is the way by which you can earn free bitcoins. Now just go to dashboard, as I can show you live demo. It will give you a notification that you have received I received the bitcoin from the miner. So guys, this is genuine site, or you can earn free bitcoin from the miner. All you need to do is just share your profit. You will have to pay $17 in form of bitcoin. Please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the like button, because I am sharing money making ideas on daily basis on this YouTube channel. And guys, every idea is very unique and very effective. So guys, please share this YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you. Have a nice day.